Hello and welcome back. Looks like today we're going to be working on puzzle 112. Let's just start with this box here. Looks like we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 1 there. So 4 and 1. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 there, up, and a 7 there. So this is our 4. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, looks like we're missing a 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and an 8 here, so this is our 1. That 9 means this is our 8 and our 9. For this column, we're missing a 3 and a 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4 and 3. For this box then, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 4, a 3 here, so 4, 5, and nothing here, so 3, 4, 5. For this box, we're missing a 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 9, a 9 here, so 1, 6, and no help here, so 1, 6, 9. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3 and 5. If we finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing a 2 and a 6. And I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing a 1, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 1, 4, and an 8 here. So 1, 4. That means that our 8 has to be here. Let's look at this column here. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here. So 4, 6. A 6 and 9 here. So 4, 8. An 8 and 9 here, so 4, 6, and a 4 here, so 6, 8, 9. But that 9 is covering these two boxes, and that 9 is covering this box, so our 9 has to be here. And then we can get rid of this 9 over here, and so that means the only place our 9 in this box can be is here. We look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 4, 6, a 2 here, so 4, 6, 7, and no help here, 2, 4, 6, 7. Here we've got a 2 and a 7. So 4, 6. If we look at this box, we're missing 4, 6, 7, 8. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 7, 8. 7 and 8 here. So 4, 6. So if we look at that box, the only place our 7 can be is here. And the only place our 8 can be is here. So if we look at this column then, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 4, 5, 6, and a 4 here. So 5, 6, 8. And we've got the 8 covering this box, this 8 covering this box, this 8 covering this box. So the only place our 8 can be is here. And then we've got the 5 covering this box and this 5 covering this box. So this has to be our 5. All right, if we look at this row here, that 3 means this is our 4, and that 4 means this is our 6. 4, 6, 4. That 4 means this is our 5 and our 3. All right, if we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. If we look at this row, we're missing a 1 and a 4. I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. That means we can get rid of this 6 here. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got that 6 there. So this is our 1 and our 6, and that makes this our 1. And then because of that 6, we can get rid of this 6 and this 6. And we've got that 7 there. So the 7 can go away. So that means the only place in this row our 7 can be is here. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. There's a 6 here. So 5, 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. And that 2 makes this our 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. And then this would be our 2. All right, that is it for today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.